I'm Max Blackburn.
I'm Vasilios Douliveris.
I'm Cyrus Singh.
Today we are going to be talking about ALDI US and the challenge faced by them with self-checkout and our solution for them to implement NVIDIA AI workflows in attempts to fight product loss. The first problem definition, all these self-checkout systems, which have been recently implemented, are now in over 2,000 US stores, but they have introduced some major challenges to the company. 15% of users have admitted to theft. Product losses have increased in recent years by 31 to 60%, which has led to 100 million loss annually for ALDI, which has all led to declining customer loyalty and satisfaction with the use of the machines. So our solution is to reduce all these losses and theft through use of an AI-powered self-checkout system, which could act as a digital security guard, enhancing transaction security. We believe that NVIDIA retail AI workflows are the best solution because they will provide the most innovative and effective solution for ALDI to reduce this product loss. We believe that the workflow will utilize advanced tracking technology to track objects across multiple camera feeds, and it will utilize high-tech computer vision to provide valuable insights into store operations.
All right, now I want to talk to you about some of the advantages of this program. So the first is the high theft reduction rates. The AI workflows are trained to identify the most frequently stolen items in the retail stores. So pre-trained AI identifies frequently stolen items, reducing shrinkage by at least 25%. With savings, ALDI's $500,000 annual product loss per store, this AI could save up to $125,000 yearly. Moving to accuracy, NVIDIA's AI maintenance is 98% accurate in theft detection, lowering theft greatly. Moving on to advantage 2, NVIDIA's AI integrates smoothly with ALDI's current existing cameras and checkout systems, reducing setup cost. This makes the installation fees around $10,000 to $20,000 per store, depending on size and product. Return on investment, it pays for itself in around 6 to 12 months through annual savings on the reduction of theft.
All right, so the third advantage is a boosted customer experience. NVIDIA's AI can prove a smoother and more accurate self-checkout experience, improving customer satisfaction. So you can see this through reduced frustration. 64% of customers report feeling frustrated by self-checkout system errors. NVIDIA's AI will minimize mistakes for a smoother process. There'll be fewer complaints through advanced object recognition, which will reduce false positives and misscans. This will decrease customer complaints by up to 40%. And so privacy, there'll be no biometric data used, alleviating customer privacy concerns. And the alignment with all these business goals, there are 3 alignments. Simplicity, no changes for the customers. The transition is smooth and unnoticeable. Second, efficiency. AI tracks and analyzes shopping patterns and customer movements faster than any other alternative, providing live feedback as well. And third, sustainability. This AI will reduce waste energy and resources, keeping environmental impact minimal. And now the implementation feasibility. The cost will be about $10,000 to $20,000 per store for installation, be about $50,000 to $100,000 in annual maintenance across 2,300 stores. The resources will utilize existing infrastructure like cameras and sensors to minimize new hardware costs. The timeline will be about 4 to 6 weeks for preparation, 3 to 6 months for testing and across 10 stores, and then 6 to 12 months for a full rollout. Now the challenges faced will be like potential system failures, staff adaptation issues, which can be mitigated by training and phase testing.
Our solution is built for scalability and flexibility. After pilot testing in 10 stores, it can be expanded chain-wide. It's adaptable, allowing for updates with new retail trends and tech advancements like customer behavior analysis. This approach sets up ALDI for ongoing improvements, keeping the brand relevant. The graph on the right shows steady growth in scalability and flexibility over time, aiming for about 90 to 85% respectively within 30 months. Our solution enhances the customer experience in 3 key ways. First is optimized self-checkouts, which can cut wait times by 30%, boosting customer satisfaction. Improved security will reduce theft, improving pricing accuracy by 10%, like Max touched on, creating a smoother experience. And then lastly, personalized offers through data analytics can increase customer loyalty by 15%, strengthening ALDI's connection with shoppers. And for the cost-benefit analysis in year 1, implementation and training costs are estimated at around $20 million, with shrinkage potentially adding $100 million. On the plus side, reduced labor costs would save up to $30 million. And overall, this yields a net loss of around $90 million in the first year, highlighting the need to mitigate shrinkage and realize long-term benefits. Thank you.